Robot welding presentation. Step 1. Switch on the horsepower of the robot. Step 2. Edit the welding workpiece procedure. Step 3. Weld the aluminum reactor. Step 4. Multi-station welding. Step 5. Finish the welding workpiece presentation. Technical characteristics. 1. Rapid action and convenient operation. 2. Complete and independent multiple joint welding, wide action range and high flexibility. 3. Equipped with special arc welding package and building safety protection function. Product application. It can be extensively applied in automobile chassis welding, frame welding, aluminum tank welding, etc.